We're excited to bring you this video that delves into the captivating world of rustic furniture and decor crafted from old and reclaimed wood. In this journey, we'll explore the unique qualities that make rustic pieces so beloved, from their rich textures and natural aesthetics to their sustainability and the stories they tell. You'll meet artisans who pour their passion into every creation, transforming aged wood into stunning furniture and decorative items that breathe new life into any space. This video is designed not only to inspire, but also to deepen your appreciation for the craftsmanship involved in rustic design. As you watch, you'll gain insights into the techniques used to craft these remarkable pieces, including the careful selection of materials and the innovative methods that bring out the inherent beauty of old wood. We'll also share tips on how to incorporate rustic elements into your own home, creating inviting spaces filled with character and warmth. Whether you're an avid DIYer or simply a lover of beautiful decor, this video offers something for everyone. Join us as we celebrate the artistry and sustainability of rustic furniture and discover how you can embrace this timeless style in your own living environment. As you enjoy this video, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content on rustic furniture and decor. If you find value in what you see, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family who might also appreciate the beauty of handcrafted pieces. Your support helps us continue to create and share more videos that celebrate artistry and sustainability. Be sure to stay until the end, where we'll reveal some exclusive tips and insights that you won't want to miss. Join our community and let's embark on this exciting journey together, exploring the charm and creativity of rustic design. Rustic furniture has become increasingly popular in modern interior design, capturing the essence of nature and history while offering a unique aesthetic. One of the primary reasons people prefer rustic furniture is its warm, inviting charm. The natural textures, colors, and imperfections found in old wood evoke a sense of nostalgia, reminding us of simpler times. Each piece tells a story, showcasing the wood's unique history and character. This warmth contrasts sharply with the sleek, sterile look of contemporary furniture, making rustic pieces feel more relatable and homey. The environmental benefits of using reclaimed wood also contribute to its appeal. By repurposing old wood, artisans reduce the demand for new timber, helping to conserve forests and minimize environmental impact. This sustainable approach resonates with many consumers who are increasingly conscious of their ecological footprint. Choosing rustic furniture made from reclaimed materials is not just a design choice. It's a statement of values that prioritizes sustainability and environmental responsibility. Crafting rustic furniture from old wood involves a meticulous process that celebrates the material's natural beauty. Artisans often embrace the wood's imperfections, such as knots, cracks, and variations in grain, as features rather than flaws. This approach adds character and authenticity to each piece, transforming what might have been discarded into something beautiful and functional. The crafting process itself is often labor-intensive, involving careful selection, preparation, and finishing techniques that honor the wood's history. Moreover, rustic furniture can seamlessly blend with a variety of decor styles. Whether one prefers a cozy cabin aesthetic, a modern farmhouse look, or even eclectic interiors, rustic pieces can enhance and complement various themes. Their versatility makes them a worthwhile investment, as they can adapt to changing tastes and trends over time. This ability to harmonize with different styles further solidifies their place in contemporary homes. The tactile quality of rustic furniture also plays a significant role in its popularity. The textures of old wood create a sensory experience that smooth, mass-produced surfaces cannot replicate. Touching the weathered surface of a reclaimed table or admiring the grain of a handcrafted chair evokes a connection to nature and craftsmanship that feels grounding. This sensory appeal is often missing in modern furniture, which can feel impersonal and devoid of character. In addition to aesthetic and environmental factors, rustic furniture is often built to last. Many pieces made from old wood are crafted by skilled artisans who prioritize quality over quantity. This craftsmanship typically results in durable, long-lasting furniture that withstands the test of time. Investing in rustic pieces means investing in heirlooms that can be passed down through generations, further enhancing their value and significance. Furthermore, the growing trend of minimalism and the desire for clutter-free spaces have led many to seek out meaningful, functional decor. Rustic furniture fits this need perfectly, as it often combines beauty with practicality. A handcrafted table can serve as a focal point in a room while providing essential functionality for daily life. This dual-purpose nature of rustic pieces makes them highly sought after in today's design landscape. Crafting decorative pieces from stump wood and reclaimed timber also allows for creativity and innovation. Artisans can experiment with shapes, finishes, and techniques to create one-of-a-kind items that stand out. From unique coffee tables to artistic wall hangings, the possibilities are endless when it comes to transforming old wood into stunning decor. This creative process not only showcases the artisan's skill, but also encourages individuality in home decor. Lastly, the community aspect of buying rustic furniture cannot be overlooked. Many artisans and small businesses focus on sustainability and ethical practices, fostering a sense of connection between the maker and the consumer. Supporting these artisans not only helps the local economy, but also creates a community of like-minded individuals who appreciate craftsmanship, sustainability, and the beauty of nature. This connection enhances the overall experience of owning rustic furniture, making it not just a purchase, but a meaningful choice. In conclusion, the preference for rustic furniture and decorative pieces crafted from old wood stems from a blend of aesthetic appeal, environmental consciousness, quality craftsmanship, and emotional resonance. As we continue to seek out meaningful and sustainable decor, the timeless charm of rustic furniture will undoubtedly remain a cherished choice for homes across the globe. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you found inspiration and valuable insights into the world of rustic furniture and decor. If you enjoyed the content, please consider subscribing to our channel for more exciting updates and creative ideas. Your likes and shares mean a lot to us and help spread the love for handcrafted artistry. We appreciate your support in building this community, and we look forward to sharing more captivating stories and tips with you in the future. Stay tuned for our next video, and thank you for being a part of our journey.